Got the radar going off. All right. GPS connected. We've got the tune uploaded to the K tuner. Gonna go ahead and flash it. Got the Phearable one right here. Let's go ahead and get that shit going. All right, it's gonna flash and we're gonna let it do its thing, and then I'll check in on you guys once it's done and we drive it around for a bit. Okay, so it's been about a day and a half, 2 days since I've flashed the Phearable Type R tune on the Accord. And first impressions is, for what it is, it's a great tune, you know. For reference, I have a custom tune from DRob, so obviously with a custom tune, it's made more specifically for my car. I'm making a little bit more power and it's just a tad bit refined. But to get into the meat and potatoes of what people are likely gonna want, for the price that this tune is, it's about $250 at the time I got it. It's probably gonna be closer to $300 when it's not on sale. It's a good in-between solution until someone's looking to get a developed custom tune, if that makes sense. So like, let's say I just wanted to put on a Type R turbo. I'm not ready to get custom tuned yet. Maybe I want to do a dyno tune, but I don't have the time for it. This is a good middle solution for you to use until you can get to a dyno. That's the quick and dirty of it. Like I said, custom tune is just slightly more power. This is a little bit down, but not like very noticeable, if that makes sense. Like, I know my own car. I know that my custom tune does make more power. It feels a little faster on the butt dyno. But, you know, again, for someone that's looking to get a map on their car as soon as they do a Type R turbo swap, great solution. So far, only thing I've noticed that I'm gonna keep an eye on is that my short-term fuel trim seems to be running a little lean, which is odd because my long-term fuel trim is fine. I don't know if that's because I'm running only 14% ethanol right now. I'm gonna update you guys when I run just like plain 93, see if this goes down, and then I'll switch back to my custom tune, see if this goes down. I don't know if it's because of how the tune is set up that this adds a little more fuel. Not 100% sure on that, but I'll make another update on that. But you know, this is just a quick little update, and I'll post you guys, or I'll make another update once it's about another week or so and I have more time with this tune. Okay, update on the Phearable Stage 5 and 6 tune. So last we left off, I was talking about fuel trims. It ended up just being some bad fuel that I had in my car. Everything's looking good and solid now. So first things first, the thing that people want to know, do I recommend this? Yes, but I only recommend this if you're in the following situations. You don't have access to a dyno custom tune, and you just don't have the time to do remote tuning and sending logs back and forth to your tuner. The reason I say that is because, you know, this is an off-the-shelf tune. This is made on the safer side for a wide variety of cars. And so with that said, this is probably down about 20 horsepower from my custom tune. On Phearable's website, they advertise this as 391 wheel horsepower on E30. However, that's with STD corrections. If you factor 5% off for SAE corrections, it's around 370 or so, and my custom tune did about 390 with SAE corrections. So 20 horsepower loss. It is slightly noticeable, but I wouldn't say you're going to be losing out on much. You know, it's an off-the-shelf tune. What can you expect? Other than that, if you fall into those situations where you don't have access to a dyno or have the time for a remote tune, this, for what it's worth, about $280 or so, I think it's a good option. Something to hold you over until you can get that custom tune or remote tune solution, because that's inevitably going to be the better tune for your car, one that's made specifically for the mods you have. But yeah, everyday drivability on this car has been pretty similar to the custom tune. Phearable has made very smooth tunes. I've had experience with their stage 3 and 4 tunes, and they were extremely smooth. This is no different. I would just say it's that last 10% or so where you really feel it, wide open throttle, because again, this is made conservatively for multiple vehicles, whereas again a custom tune is made for multiple. So it's really about that last 10% that you'll notice a difference. Other than that, day to day, this is great. I'll still be going back to my custom tune because that's made for my car and made for the mods that I tuned it with. But again, if you don't have access to a dyno and you don't want to have the process of sending logs back and forth and you just want something to get you up and running, it's a great tune. I would recommend it. Ultimately, I still recommend getting a custom tune if you can, because it's going to be best for your car. But this is a good second place solution. If you want more detailed information about this, I would say check out the Lemon Factor. Chad over there, he has access to a dyno. I'm sure he will get a Type R turbo and do this tune as well test. So be sure to check out Lemon Factor. I'll put his link in the description below. But yeah, if you guys found this video helpful by any means, be sure to like and subscribe. Check out my Instagram at QMedia, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.